Marble Restoration Chessington by Tile Cleaning Surrey. Struggling with dull marble floors or countertops at your home or workplace? While they add a touch of elegance, the stubborn stains and diminished shine can be a real eyesore. Are you tired of your do-it-yourself cleaning efforts not cutting it? Tile Cleaning Surrey are your go-to experts for marble restoration. Our team uses the latest techniques and top-notch equipment to breathe new life into your marble, restoring its pristine condition. We don't just stop at restoration. We offer comprehensive maintenance and sealing solutions to protect your marble from everyday wear and tear. Trust us to impress your guests and increase your property's appeal with beautifully restored marble surfaces. Forget the frustration of DIY. Let our professional team ensure you get the superior results you desire. Ready for a transformation? To arrange a complimentary quote, call 01784 775 813 or head over to our website at tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk.